What if I told you that the founder of GalXBoy turned down a salary just so he could learn the business? And now he says he's getting closer to becoming a billionaire. Well, during his recent appearance on the Open Chats podcast, he broke down his entire journey from working for another brand to building one of the biggest streetwear brands in South Africa. And the story might actually surprise you. While speaking on the podcast hosted by Mto and Sino, the GalXBoy founder revealed that his journey in fashion started long before the brand even existed. He says around 2012 he met musician Anatii, and that meeting ended up changing his life. Anatii introduced him to the owner of AmaKipKip, a brand that was already making waves at the time. Soon after that introduction, he started working with AmaKipKip as a designer. But here's where the story gets interesting. The owner offered him a salary of 6,000 rands per month. Most people would have taken the money immediately, but he made a completely different decision. Instead of accepting the salary, he chose to learn the business. He believed the knowledge would be more valuable than the paycheck. And according to him, the AmaKipKip owner respected that decision so much that he agreed to teach him everything. They even took him to China, where he got to see how the fashion manufacturing process actually works, from designing to production and to distribution. That experience made him realize something important. Building a big fashion brand was actually possible. Now, the story behind the name GalXBoy is also pretty interesting. He says the idea actually started back in high school. At the time, he and his friends used to call themselves Cheese Boys. So one day he decided to print t-shirts for the crew with the name Cheese Boys. But after the t-shirts dropped, something unexpected happened. The girls liked them too. So they asked him to make t-shirts for them as well. And that's when he printed Cheese Girl t-shirts. But now he had a problem. Instead of one brand, he had two. And he didn't want that. So he started experimenting with the names and trying to combine them. Eventually he came up with GalXBoy, a fusion of girl and boy into one brand identity. During the interview on Open Chess podcast, he also brought along new GalXBoy sneakers that is currently promoting. One pair sells for around 4,800 rands and another pair goes for about 4,400 rands, which sparked an interesting conversation about fashion and brand perception. Some people have criticized him for wearing other luxury brands like Louis Vuitton instead of always wearing his own brand. But according to him, it's not that serious. He explained that wearing other brands actually helps him study and understand the industry. By looking at how global luxury brands operate, he can get inspiration that helps him improve GalXBoy. So in his mind, it's all part of the process of building a bigger brand. And considering how far the brand has already come, that strategy might actually be working. From turning down a 6,000 salary, to learning the entire fashion business, to building one of the most recognizable streetwear brand in South Africa, the GalXBoy founder's journey is proof that sometimes knowledge is more valuable than money. But the big question is, do you think GalXBoy can actually become a billion rand brand? Let me know what you think in the comments.